Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're on this 2016 Peugeot 308. It's the 1.6 diesel. Now if you're getting this P0113 Inlet air temperature, the airflow sensor voltage of the component too high. Now if you're getting this, there's a few way around it. Before ordering anything, check, so we've taken this off, check that there is connection voltage to these. Check, because they are known for this as well, to go here. Make sure that they are all plugged in properly. If they're all alright and there's no issue, take this one off. Check the pins, obviously they are not broken or corroded. Take this off. There is an electrical sprayer that you can buy from Bullseye, your car part. I'll put the link in below as well. I'll put the link in so you can grab one. Spray this sprayer on there. Hopefully cures it. If not, then that means that this is faulted, this MAF sensor. Okay, you can I'll put the link in as well below, so you guys can grab one. But it is a case of plug and play. There's nothing fancy about it. Once you get the new one, put it in, jobs are good in, and then just do a full scan and clear, and you won't have the engine light on there again.